YouTube. What is up? It's your boy Swin Nation back again, man. And this is just a continuation of the Samsung Tab S7, man. I got another accessory for it, and I had to pick it up because for some crazy reason, Samsung decided to let these bad boys go for $100, man. $100, man. This thing was normally listed at $200. I'll post a link down below, but I was able to pick this bad boy up on Amazon because they dropped it down to $99 just to match the price of Samsung. I don't know what was going on, what they was thinking, but hey, I couldn't skip the opportunity to pick this up. So this is just gonna be a quick unboxing, my first initial impressions of me slapping it on the Tab S7, and then just letting you guys know what I think real quick. So without further ado, man, let's get this bad boy open. So as you can see, the package ain't nothing crazy. All right. Nice, easy unboxing. Set that there. Okay. I like that. That's like that faux leather, that nice faux leather feel. And then it's got the cutout for the pen. You got your paperwork showing you how to put this in the case. Little tiny little book. And then you got your keyboard. This is what I was most excited for right here, man. This keyboard. That trackpad. I'm trying to have my tablet, you know, be kind of a mini laptop replacement. Now granted, I do have a 16-inch MacBook Pro, but sometimes, man, I don't want to lug that around, but I do want to have a keyboard, and now this will, you know, take the place of that. But here's the back. It's nice. Clean. Keys feel nice. All right, so let's slap this on. Move some of this out the way. All right. So I have had my Tab S7 in the good old trusty speaking case, man. Great case, by the way. If you don't need a keyboard and you're looking just for just simple tablet action and nothing crazy, highly recommend the UAG case. I'll post a link to this exact same case down below to where I picked it up from, y'all. All right, now that I muscled that out, we'll get this in here. File that to the side. All right. Crap, the pen. Forgot the pen was still in there. Let's get the pen. Boom. So. Slap that on there like so. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice, y'all. Oh, I'm already liking his hands. Let me get the keyboard on, man. I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, y'all seen that? Let's close it. Yo. Excuse my hypeness, y'all, but yo, this feels so nice. Sorry, my table a little dust. Let me wipe that off. This tablet, this feels so nice in the hand. Wow, I like this, y'all. This feels so premium. So premium. And the look at it, y'all. This is clean setup, man. Now granted, you don't get the drop protection of the UAG case on the corners, but I mean overall you shouldn't be dropping your tablet anyways. All right, and then you got the pen for the, I like that, man. It's nice and covered, and then you got your stand back here. This is what is most impressive to me right now, just right off the bat, is how sturdy this is. Like it's tight. And I love the fact that I have multiple viewing angles now, rather than just being stuck with two with the UAG case. So even without the keyboard, if I don't want to rock the keyboard, you know what I'm saying, I still have crazy amount of angles that I can use it at. Yo, that's sick. Let you guys see that. So it pretty much stays at whatever position you put it at. And it's sturdy, y'all. I thought this was gonna be some flimsy little, you know, stand, but man, this thing is solid. All right, let me put this on here and see how it types. All right, let me get it set up 1 second, guys. All right, let's see how she types. Now keep in mind, I ain't the fastest typer, so don't be hating on me. Whoa. Okay, backspace is over here. Dang, I'm tripping. That's cool. What the heck? Backspace. Oh yeah, y'all. Just a quick little type test, man. The keys feel good. Good travel. Now I kind of see why Samsung was charging the arm and the leg when this first came out. It's a very, very fluid, you know, experience. Now keep in mind, I did have an iPad Pro as well with the Apple keyboard, and y'all gotta remember, Apple was charging like what, $200+ for the Apple keyboard, the non-trackpad version, and I feel like you're getting way more bang for your buck with this trackpad. And the cool thing is you can get to DeX right from here and make this legit a desktop by holding function and then the DeX button, and then you get Samsung DeX. And DeX is basically turn this bad boy into a straight computer. So yo, this right here, man, dope setup. So this basically turns it into a desktop computer. And as y'all can see, I got my Clash of Clans, man, and go heavy. But yeah, man, this is a smooth experience. Very smooth. Can't go wrong. And then you can exit DeX from here as well. But hey guys, or girls, this has just been a quick unboxing of the Tab S7 Samsung book cover keyboard. That way you guys can see what it looks like. Highly recommended so far, just based off the initial impressions. And now I see why they charge the arm and the leg for it, because it is definitely, you know, it feels like a premium product to go with a premium device. So, and not to mention, I also do have the Samsung official case for my Note 20 Ultra, and I just figured, why not, man? Just keep the branding going strong. So, without further ado, man, I will catch y'all in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, man, do your boy a favor and hit that like button. If you got questions, hit me in the comment section, and I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.